Hello students, today we are taking a question number 91 from your book, and it has got all types of this topics almost, which we have already studied in your chapter. So here I am reading the question for you. And A and B are the partners sharing profit in ratio of 3:2. They admit C as a new partner from 1st April 2018. They have decided to share future profits in ratio of 4:3:3. The balance sheet as at 31st March 2018 is given below. Liability side is capital, B is capital 1,76,000 and 2,54,000, total 4,30,000. Workman compensation reserve is given 20,000. This is to be distributed among partners. If claim is there, against that amount will be kept and remaining amount will be distributed. Investment fluctuation reserve is 10,000 rupees. With this also, if the amount of this will be distributed among this old partners, but if there is fall in the value of the investment, then that amount will be kept aside and the remaining amount will be distributed. That EPF is not distributed because it is not this partners this amount. This is related to employees. Then C's loan is there. Then on asset side, when we go, then goodwill is given. This is to be written off. Partners capital account will be debited and then goodwill account will be credited, and their old profit sharing ratio it will be distributed. Then given land and building investment market value is given 45,000 and 50,000 was the value earlier. So 5,000 this value has gone down. Then debtors are given 1 lakh, provisional is given 10,000, net debtors, good debtors we can say are 90,000. Stock is given 3 lakh rupees, bank balance 2 lakh 50,000, and here advertisement suspense account is given 10,000. This is the expense which is not written off. So when the new partner is admitted, then at that time, before to that, this is written off by debiting partner's capital account. Achha, terms. Now come to the question. Terms of C's admission. Then C contribute proportionate capital and 60% of his share of goodwill in cash. So first of all, we will find out how much is the capital of these old partners by them debiting and crediting all the amounts here, like advertisement suspend, goodwill, this will be debited, and reserves, what a workman compensation, investment fluctuation reserve, this amount will be credited, and revaluation profit, whatever is the that will also be credited to their account. And finally this will be taken out balance, that how much is this, how much is are the balance of their capital account, and on the basis of that, new partner will bring his capital and his share is 3/10, 433 new profit sharing ratio is there, so he will bring 3/10 of the share. Then goodwill is valued 2-year purchase of the super profit of last 3-year completed year. And we have to find out the super profit. Super profit, as I told you, is find out what is the average profit of our business and how much more we are earning from our competitors in that area. So means this we can find out average profit of our firm minus normal profits earned by other firm in the same capital, and how much extra profit is there. That will be, it says 2 years purchase, means it will be doubled, and that will be the value of the goodwill. And the profits are given of 3 years are 2016, 2017, 2018 profits are given there. 4,80,000, 9,30,000, 13,80,000. We'll add up this and divide by 3. Then we will find so this way we will get average profit, and out of average profit when we will deduct this normal profit, we will get the super profit, and double of super profit here in the question will be the goodwill. Then comes the next. It says land and building was found undervalued by 1 lakh. Means we have this valuation of the land and building was less by 1 lakh. So we'll increase the value by 1 lakh. Then stock was found overvalued by 31,000. Now we'll reduce the value of the stock in revaluation by revaluation account. Then provision of doubtful debts is to be made equal to the 5%. Earlier in the question it is 10%, है ना? 10%, 1 lakh 10,000 is provision has been made. Now we'll make it 5,000, and 5,000 will be the this debtors will increase, or we can say that provisions means liability will decrease. Or then comes the claim on the account of workman compensation is 11,000. Means workman compensation 20,000 were there, 11,000 we will keep, and 9,000 will be distributed among partners. So this way we have to do the solve the question. Okay, let us try to solve now. So we will do the workings first here. Workings. First we will sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio. How sacrificing ratio? How it is find out? Old ratio minus new ratio of partner. Okay. Now if we want to find out the sacrificing ratio of A, suppose the old ratio was 3:2, means A was getting 3 out of 3. Ratio 2 means the total shares were 3 plus 2, 5. Out of 5 share A was getting 3 share. Out of 5 A was getting 3 shares, and B was getting out of 5 2 shares. This is the old ratio. And new ratio, now new profit sharing ratio is 4:3:3. What does it mean? Then if 4 plus 3 plus 3 means 10. Out of 10 shares, A is getting how much? 4 share. 4 out of 10. And B is getting 3 out of 10. 4, 3, 3. Matlab out of 10 he is getting 3 share. Okay. Now, this how much? This A is sacrificing. So here we will take the LCM of this. This comes 10. Okay. Then 5 2 ja 10, so 3 2 ja 6 here. 10 1 ja 1, so 4 1 ja 4 minus 2 upon 10. He is sacrificing 2 upon 10 share. And how far B is concerned, here again we will take the LCM. 5 2 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, and 10 1 ja 10, so 3 1 ja 3. So he is sacrificing. Earlier he was getting 4, now he is getting 3 out of 10. So 1 upon 10 he is sacrificing. So sacrificing ratio in between A and B is 2 upon 10, 1 upon 10, means 2:1. So sacrificing ratio is 2:1. Second thing, we have to find out value of goodwill. Value of goodwill. Value of goodwill, it says that it should be the super profit method we will use here. Purchase of 2 year purchase of super profit of last 3 completed years. Profit for 2016 480, 17 930, and 18 13 lakh 80,000. The normal profit is 5 lakh 30,000 with the same amount of capital invested in the similar industry. Okay. So normal profits already we have not to calculate normal profits. It is already there in the question. 5,30,000. The normal profit. Second point of the adjustment we see. The normal profit of 5 lakh is 5,30,000 with the same amount of capital invested in the similar industry. 5,30,000. So how much it is? It is, if we deduct this, it is 4 lakh rupees. Super profit. Okay. So super profit is 4 lakh and goodwill is 2 times of this. So it is 4 to the 8 lakh is the amount of goodwill. Okay. This is the amount of goodwill. 8 lakh. Okay. And now these two things we have done. We shall clean this board and we will write this thing here, value of goodwill and this sacrificing ratio there on the top. Okay. And then we shall try to solve the question. Now in working, third thing we will find out how much amount of capital will be, premium of goodwill will be brought by C. Premium of goodwill, workings. Goodwill should brought by C. So he is getting the new profit sharing ratio is how much? What is the new profit sharing ratio? That is 4:3:3. Means 437 plus 310. Out of 10 share he is getting 3 share. So premium of goodwill, so value of goodwill, total value of goodwill of firm into share of new partners. So it is value of goodwill is 8 lakh rupees and share of new partner is 3/10. So how much share should he bring? He should bring 8 3 24,000. Okay? 3/10. He should bring 2,40,000. है ना? तो premium of C's should be 2,40,000. Share of premium. Share of premium of C 2,40,000 he should bring. Okay, and it should be bond. It should be share among partners in ratio of 2:1. Okay. Okay. Now we will. Here we are.
A and B were partners
Then
sharing profits in 3:1. They admitted C as a partner for 1/4 share in the future profit. C was to bring 60,000 for his capital. The balance sheet of A and B is at 1st April 2018. The date on which C was admitted was.
In the balance sheet,
The balance sheet is given here. Liability side, capital account of A and B 50,000, 80,000.
176 and 2.
Total 130, 1,30,000. General reserve 10,000. Creditors 70,000. Total of liability side is 2,10,000. Then come to the asset side. Land and building 40,000. Plant and machinery 70,000. Stock 30,000. Debtors 35,000. Provisions for doubtful debts 1,000. Net debtors are 34,000. Investment 26,000.
of the
and
adjustment.
cash
It
is
says claim
10,000.
of the account of workmen compensation is
The other
11,000.
terms agreed upon
So
were
11,000
goodwill of the
if we
firm was
deduct from
valued
this
at
20,000,
24,000.
then remains the 9,000.
Land and building was
9,000
valued
will
at
be
65,000 and
9,000
plant and machinery
workmen
at 60,000.
20,000 minus
Here we see
11,000.
that
So
land
it
and
is-
building
it is
value
distributed in old profit sharing
60,000,
ratio, that is 3:2.
65,000, which is increased,
So it
and
comes
the
with
old balance sheet
5,400
40,000 was
and
there.
3,600.
It is increased by
Then comes workmen
25,000.
fluctuation
Plant
reserve,
and
that is
machinery
10,000
70,000
rupees.
in old balance
It will
sheet
also
given,
distributed in
60,000
T2.
is the
That will come.
we have
There is
revalued,
a claim.
means value has gone down by 10,000.
Investment fluctuation
Provision
reserve.
for doubtful debts were found in
Investment
excess by
fluctuation
400.
reserve is 10,000.
So this
But
is
here
means
value of the
excess
investment
provision
on the
has
asset
been
side, when we see the
done
investment,
by
the market
400
value of
rupees. So we will
investment
reduce
has
this
come
thing.
down to
Debtors were
45,000,
increased by
which was bought in
400
50,000.
rupees.
5,000
So
rupees value has
in
gone down.
revaluation account we will show
So
it
this
on the
5,000 will be
credit
transferred
side of
from this
revaluation account.
investment fluctuation
Liability of
reserve to
1,200
investment.
included in
Then remaining
syndicators are now
5,000 will
not
be
likely to
distributed
arrive. It means
to partners.
creditors
5,000 in
are
3:2
reduced
ratio,
by
so 3,000 and
1,200.
2,000.
The revaluation
Investment
account,
fluctuation
debit
reserve.
side it will be shown.
Then comes, there is a goodwill given on the
Credit
balance
side
sheet,
it will be
old
shown
balance sheet. When the goodwill is
because
given,
liabilities
we
are
have to write off this
reduced.
goodwill.
Then capitals
It will
of
be
the
written
partner
off
be
in their
adjusted on the
old
basis of
profit
ceased
sharing
contribution
ratio,
of
3:2.
capital of the firm.
So it is distributed in 3:2.
According
This
to the
premium
ceased
of,
capital,
this,
old partners capital will be
goodwill, that is
adjusted.
debited to
Then FA
partners,
excess
this-
or
this
shortfall if any be
20,400
transferred to
and
current account.
13,600
In the current account
is
it
there.
should
Their
be
capital account is
adjusted.
debited with that.
And prepare
Then
revaluation
comes the
account, partners capital
stock
account
balance,
and balance sheet.
advertisement
We won't
suspense
make the
account,
balance sheet
10,000.
because you know how to make the
Advertisement
balance sheet.
suspense account is the expense
And,
that has not been written off.
Remaining capital account we will
Because
prepare
the
and
new partner
revaluation
is coming,
account.
so we'll write off this
Okay,
thing.
thank you.
And their
Let us
old
try
profit
the
sharing
question.
ratio, 10,000 when will be this debited to the partner's capital account. It will come 3 to in ratio 3:2. It will be 6,000 and 4,000. Okay. Now, terms of the admission: C's contribute proportionate capital and 60% of his share of goodwill in cash. So we have to find out how much total capital is there of the old partners, and in the same ratio he will bring, in the proportionate capital he will bring for, because he is getting 3 out of 10 share. Right, na? So he will bring that much of capital and share of 60% share of goodwill, and he will bring in cash only 60%. Remaining 40% we will debit his current account, because if we'll debit his capital account, then the total amount of capital will be more that he has to bring. Okay, but he is bringing in cash only 60%. So remaining 40% will be debited to his current account here. So here his current account premium of goodwill, we see that how much total, 2,40,000 is the share, right, of his, which he has to bring. So it will be distributed. Then out of this 2,40,000, he brings only 60% of this in cash. 60% becomes this amount. That is 60% is 6 4 ja 24, 6 2 ja 12 and 40. Now 60% is 1,44,000. 1,44,000 he is bringing in cash. This will be distributed in old partner in their sacrificing ratio, 2:1. So when we'll distribute it in 2:1, so it comes 96,000 and 48,000. Okay, this amount. This is there, and remaining 40%.
Hello students, how are you?
Because it has to bring.
Today we are
but he is
taking
not bringing
one
now.
more
So
question,
his current account will be debited with remaining 40%.
and
So
we
40%
shall
is how much?
solve them.
4 4 just 16. 4 2
Then here I'm reading the question that is on your screen.
96,000 will be debited to his account. It's his current account.
Question number 66 it is.
96,000
A, B and C are the
debited,
partners sharing
he
profits in the
will get
profit
64,000,
and losses
he will get 32,000.
in the ratio of 3:1
Okay.
respectively.
Then
Their
comes
balance
the,
sheet as at
next
31st
one.
March
It
2018 is as follows.
normal profit
First of all, liability
is,
side we will
that we have done.
study
Land and
that.
building was found.
Number one,
Goodwill
capital.
had to
A's capital is
calculate this. We have
60,000,
already
B's
earlier.
capital is
Land and building was
60,000
found
again,
over-
and C's capital is
undervalued by
40,000.
Undervalued.
Total is 1,60,000.
It was, undervalued by 1
Then
lakh.
creditors,
So now we
30,000,
we
bills
stop
payable,
land and building, DR
10,000. Total of the liability
here
side is
P-
2 lakh.
P will be
On
debited.
the asset side, land and building 50,000,
stock was
plant
found
and machinery
overvalued.
40,000,
Now we will reduce.
fixtures
31,000
B is
will be
30,000,
debited.
stock
B's
20,000,
capital account will be debited.
and then
And
debtors
valuation
Provision
30,000,
for doubtful debts is
bills
to be
receivable,
5%.
20,000, and
Bill of
bank
exchange
10,000.
10,000 which was
And
dismissed
total of
by
asset side is
discounted
also
banker was
10,000
dishonored.
arrangement. So we will reduce
Then,
this thing. And the,
31st March
debtors
2000, no entry has
he
been
is
passed for
So provision for doubtful
admitted
debts.
as a
That what
new
happens
partner
is
on
to-
1st
uh,
April
now
2018
bank will be
for
equal
credited
share
and
and is to
debtor
pay
will
50,000 as
be
capital.
debited. So here
Next one.
debtors account debit to
Following are the
adjustment
bank.
required on
Claim
these
of,
admission. This entry will take place.
Out of the
Debtors
creditors,
will
a sum of 10,000
increase
is
and
due
bank
to
account will
the
be decreased.
which will be transferred to his
That
capital
comes in
account.
a provision of
This is 1,05,000.
doubtful
we see
debts
that,
When we deduct this
is to be
30,000,
created 5%. So 5% will be
this out of the creditors, a sum of 10,000
make the
means
arrangement.
he was a
For that,
creditor of the business.
what is the journal
10,000
entry?
business had to pay him. Now that
provision
10,000 will go to his capital account.
Okay.
So what would be the journal entry for that? Revaluation account. And creditors of revaluation account 2,100 is paid by A.
This
A's account will be
B's
credited and
capital account.
revaluation account will be
Okay.
Okay.
debited here. With that.
And advertisement
Okay.
expense of
Then
1,200 are to
prepare
be
necessary
carried
ledger
forward
account and balance sheet
to the
after
next
these
accounting
admissions.
period as
So
prepaid
CS to bring
expenses.
proportionate
This
capital.
solve the question.
So we'll
Advertisement
total of this thing,
expenses
it
of
comes
1,200 is not
3,800
related to this year.
and these capital
As a result,
account
profit
total credit side
should
is
increase with that.
3,69,000.
So revaluation,
Now we'll take
we
these are
will
the debit
this
amount. We will deduct
with
these
that
amounts
what would be the journal entry?
3,88,800.
We will put it in revaluation
So
account.
it comes, the balance comes 3,62,400
So prepaid,
of A's capital account.
this
And B's
advertisement
capital account,
expenses
If we deduct 3 lakh out of this 3 lakh,
debit to
69,200
revaluation account we'll put.
13,600 and 4,000. Then comes the balance. 3,51,600.
expenses debited to P&L account include a
This is,
sum of
their
2,000
capital
paid
account
for B's
total.
personal expense.
ठीक है, means of A's capital account and B's capital account. Now they are getting how much share? Total, because now the profit sharing ratio is 4:3:3, and these two are getting how much? 4, 3, and 3. This if we we don't take this, then out of 10 shares they both are taking, total of their share is 7. Out of 10 they are taking 7 shares. So this is that the total of this is this share is 7 out of 10, है ना? So if we total up this thing, this is 7 out of 10. So the total when we do this thing, it comes 7,14,000. 7,14,000. This is the, है ना? 6, 4, 10, and 2 and 2, 4, and 5, 6, 11 and 11, and 3, 11, and 4 and 3, 7. 7,14,000. This is the capital. 7 upon 10 capital. When 7 upon capital is this much, then total capital will be how much? 10 upon 7. 10 upon 7 of this 7,14,000. And when this we solve this, 7 1 is 7, 7 0, 7 2 is 14, 0 0 0. So 1,02,000 into 10. 10,20,000. This is the total capital. That should be the total capital of the firm, and total capital of the firm is this much. Then if we deduct this 7,14,000 out of that, then comes 3 lakh, 7,14,000 if we deduct share of both these two, then comes 3,06,000 3 lakh 6,000. That should be the capital of C here, 3 lakh 6,000. 3 lakh 6,000, and he should bring by bank 3 lakh 6,000. 3 lakh 6,000 he should bring. Okay. Or we can do this like this also. When total share is 10 lakh 20,000, then C is taking 3 out of 10 share. When total capital is 10 lakh 20,000, then C share is 3 upon 10. So if you calculate the C share will come 300, 300, 300, 32 6, 0, 330, 3 lakh 6,000. This way also we can calculate. Okay. So this way we will calculate the capital of C. Okay. Thank you. Students, today now we are we will learn how to make the balance sheet of this question. So in the old balance sheet, goodwill was there, 34,000. This goodwill is written off. Partners capital account debited to goodwill. Their capital account were debited with this 34,000 here we had seen here. Okay. And land and building 60,000. The value of this was increased by 1 lakh. Land and building was increased. In new balance sheet, this value will be shown increased by 1 lakh. So earlier in old balance sheet it was 60,000. Now it is 1 lakh 60,000. Then investment. Market value is 45,000. So this we have shown in investment 45,000. The debtors are shown 1 lakh, and provision was 10,000, and the adjustment at the end it was given that provisions were to be done. This provision is to be made 5%. So 5% is done. So 1 lakh, 5%, that is 5,000. Now debtors are this 95,000. Then comes stock. Stock is old balance sheet. It was 3 lakh, and here it was given an adjustment that 31,000 value has gone down of this stock. So 3 lakh minus 31,000, it is 2 lakh 69,000 is the value in new balance sheet. Then comes bank balance 2 lakh 50,000. 2 lakh 50,000 was the bank balance in old balance sheet. Now when new partner came, he brought 3 lakh 6,000 as his capital. 3 lakh 6,000 as his capital, and 1 lakh 44,000, 60% of his premium of goodwill, 1 lakh 44,000. If we add up, then it is 7 lakh is the, now in the new balance sheet the bank balance will be 7 lakh. Then comes advertisement suspense. This is being this written off. Partners capital account suspense here we have done. And then this current account, this amount, because partner bought only 60% of the goodwill. Remaining 40% will be charged from him. His current account is debited with that, which is this amount is to received by the business from that partner. So it is shown in the asset side, C's current account 96,000. Okay. Now come to the liability side. Here the balance of the capital account are shown. 3 lakh 62, 3 lakh 51,600, and 3 lakh 6,000, total 10 lakh 20,000. And then workman compensation reserve is given 20,000. And this is distributed. Only the claim was left. The amount of claim was there of 11,000. Claim is shown in the liability side, and remaining amount is distributed. Then investment fluctuation reserve 10,000. That has been distributed, this giving this 5,000 to the investment. Then employees provident fund, it is not distributed because it is related to the employee. So employees provident fund amount is 34,000 given here. And then C's loan is 3 lakh, 3 lakh is given here. If we add up this, it comes 13 lakh 65,000, and the asset side when we add, it is also 13 lakh 65,000. Okay? This way this question is complete.